The KEDIERS C570 Gaming Case is designed with an open frame that ensures excellent airflow, helping maintain low GPU temperatures for smoother gaming experiences. Equipped with 5 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans, this case offers impressive cooling capabilities while adding dynamic lighting effects that enhance the visual appeal of your setup. The case features 2 panels of 4 mm thick tempered glass, providing a clear view of the internal components and RGB lighting, creating an immersive gaming atmosphere. The KEDIERS C570 offers remarkable expansion options, supporting various motherboard sizes including ATX, Micro-ATX, and Mini-ITX, catering to different build preferences. With an easy-to-use sync RGB feature, the case's lighting can be controlled via computer software, allowing for seamless customization without the need for additional controllers. The I/O panel of the gaming case includes a Type-C port, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and HD audio, providing convenient connectivity options for gamers.